Okay, gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me here in the studio.
Thank you too.
Kofi, if we start with you, MoneyGram is essentially a money transfer service.
Yes, please.
And you're doing a great deal of work in Nigeria. Tell us a bit more about that.
Okay, basically in Nigeria, the way I like to think about it, what we do is, like our tagline says, we bring people closer. So essentially the value we bring to the Nigerian market is that we enable Nigerians living in the diaspora, so in the UK in this instance, send money or resources back home to Nigeria safely, reliably, and conveniently. They are sending this money back home to pay for school fees, to pay for medical fees, etc. So basically, we are helping Nigerians in the diaspora meet their obligations back home. We are able to do this effectively in Nigeria because we work through a number of reputable banks. We have 10 reputable banks who essentially deliver the MoneyGram service in Nigeria. Keystone Bank is a key member of this group of agents. We have over 3,000 locations in Nigeria. So what this means to the average Nigerian, either in the diaspora or back in Lagos or Ibadan or Abuja, is that when you go to your local post office in Stockwell and you send money back to your mother in Ikeja in Lagos, in 10 minutes they're able to get this money at a good rate and they're able to deploy it to meet their needs and aspirations.
I mean, if we talk about figures, Kofi, it's estimated that the remittance market in Nigeria alone is about $10 billion.
That's true. Nigeria is a key remittance market in the world. According to the UN, it is one of the corridor. The number of remittances to Nigeria it's in the top 10 remittance corridors in the world. So the importance of remittances to the Nigerian market, to the ordinary Nigerian, cannot be underestimated. And MoneyGram is very proud to facilitate this process.
You touched on Keystone there, and Fashola, if we speak to you for a moment, Keystone is a foundation bank working very closely with MoneyGram, but you were formerly PHP.
That's correct. We used to be called Bank PHP in Nigeria, now Keystone Bank. We've been with MoneyGram International for the past 6 years. We have over 200 branches in Nigeria, and our customers, we have over 2 million customers actually, so we actually brought a very strong platform to MoneyGram to provide this service. In addition to offering just a MoneyGram product, we also offer what is called Nigerian Diaspora product. This product actually targets Nigerian living overseas. Basically, if you want to open an account in Nigeria, all you need to do is to go to our website, which is www.keystonebankng.com, and click on Nigerian Diaspora icon. It gives you a page where you just fill in your personal details. You attach your basic account opening requirements, a copy of your international passport, your driver's license, and of course your passport photograph. You click on it, submit it, and it comes to our office back in Lagos. Within 3 days, we get this account open for you, and we send the account details back to you in UK. And there you go. You can start operating your account from that moment.
So for the average Nigerian who's maybe been living in the UK for a while and they're a bit apprehensive and they don't know which bank to choose, is it perfectly safe to do it online?
It is perfectly safe to have it online. There are standard security features that is required to operate an online banking. This we have met and actually surpassed. So if you open your account online with Keystone Bank, it's actually safe for you to do so.
Fantastic. I mean, we've spoken quite a bit about Nigeria so far today, but MoneyGram isn't kind of limited to Nigeria, is it? You're operating all over the world.
Yeah, thank you so much. At the moment, we're present in over 194 countries of the world. In other words, for customers sending money from the UK, for instance, their families back home, either in the Caribbean or in Africa or in America, they can receive the money within 10 minutes. So we encourage customers to send money from UK Post Office or Thomas Cook or Going Places or anywhere they see the MoneyGram sign, and their family or loved ones can pick up this money anywhere in the world. You know, we've got over 250,000 agent locations across the globe. So MoneyGram is a very known brand. It's a brand that is everywhere. So we encourage people to continue to use our brand.
And interestingly, MoneyGram has also been doing some health service work in the West Indies.
Yeah, because as I said earlier, you know, we're passionate about giving back to the community, and without MoneyGram, there is no, without customer, there is no MoneyGram really. And because we are passionate about giving back to those people, last year, to be precise, in Jamaica, we sponsored over 10 medical experts to go back to Jamaica to help people with eye problem, cataracts, and the likes. And we're doing the same across Africa. We're doing that, you know, across the Caribbean, the Americas, you just name it. We're passionate about our corporate social responsibility, and we're giving back to the community. You know, I would just like to add this as well. You know, recently, that was a couple of weeks ago, we also launched our online money transfer.
Right.
That is, customer can send money from the comfort of their computer. For those that cannot go to the post office, you know, they can send money from the comfort of their computer, and within 10 minutes, their friends and family can receive this money back home, wherever, either in the Caribbean or in Africa or in Asia, or you just name it.
Okay, and also, I mean, at the moment, for those, you're adding an extra kind of incentive for people who want to use MoneyGram. Tell us a bit about that.
Sure. At the moment, we're currently running a campaign in collaboration with Brussels Airlines. It's called Win a Free Ticket to Africa. In other words, for all our listeners out there, if you're sending money through MoneyGram, you stand a chance to win a return ticket to one of 18 African destinations of your choice, really. All you have to do is send money through MoneyGram, log on to this website, www.brusselsairline.com/MoneyGram, for a chance to win a return ticket to Africa. And I'd also like to say that this promo runs from now till 10th of June. So you've got a whole lot of time to send your money back, you know, to Africa, and a chance to win a return ticket.
Indeed, it's plenty of time, and people should really get on
Sure.
the internet, shouldn't they?
Sure.
All right, gentlemen, thanks very much for joining us on Vox News.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure having us. Thank you.